Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step how to record a vehicle purchase in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. From the menu, select Chart of Accounts. When the Chart of Accounts page opens, click on the New button to create a new account. You will need to create 3 accounts if the vehicle is financed. First, create a fixed asset account. In the Account Type dropdown, select Fixed Assets. In the Detail Type dropdown, select Vehicle. In the Name field, enter a clear name. Then click Save. Next, create a liability account if the vehicle is financed. Click New again. For account type, select Long-Term Liabilities. If the loan will be paid off within 12 months, you can choose other current liabilities instead. Name the account something like Vehicle Loan, Chase, then click Save. Now you are ready to record the purchase using a journal entry. Click the New button on the top left of the screen and select Journal Entry. On line 1, under Account, select the vehicle asset account you created. In the Debit column, enter the full purchase price of the vehicle, including tax and registration. On line 2, select the bank or checking account used for the down payment. In the Credit column, enter the amount you paid up front. On line 3, select the Vehicle Loan Liability account. In the Credit column, enter the remaining financed amount. Make sure the total debits and credits are equal. Then click Save and Close. Thanks for watching.